You want to work at companies that not only want to hire, but want to bring people into the fold and uproot systems and make change to create a sense of belonging for everyone. And you want to create equity, fair pay for everyone. And I think as a DEI expert, you definitely need to be well versed in what the market pays, economic disparities of each community based on race and class. Understanding a lot of the nuances of our society, I think, is very important. And just being a continuous learner of your craft. You can read certain books like Caste, or you can read Minda Hart's The Memo, or Right Within, one of her books, or White Fragility, this or anti-racism. There's so many different books out there to read to get you going in a career in DEI and understanding it more from a position of underrepresented minorities and from those who actually work day in and day out in the DEI field.